Alright guys, we're going to be performing a repair test on one of your policyholders' houses. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and start unsealing these shingles here. Oh, it caused a tear here. You can see right there. Another little tear here on the top shingle there. Give me the Yep, thank you. So I'm trying to use proper technique and be as delicate as I can while removing these nails. Some of them are starting to pull through already. This shingle is a little bit brittle. Oh, caused a tear there on that repair shingle. Try not to lift these shingles up too high. Pulled through as well. Give me that flat bar over there.
Yep.
Thank you. We got that shingle out. Only a couple of points of failure. Right here we got the tear from that flat bar. Just trying to unseal that shingle. Couple of nail pull-throughs on the underside there. Let's get this back up in there. back in there. I'm going to be using the roof snake today to get these nails put back in, so we're trying not to cause any more damage than is already done to the roof. Dang, dude. I feel like my pants are falling. It's been hot. I've been losing weight easy past couple weeks.
I was just saying, like, if you want to just grab one at a time, man. I mean, I'll just, you know,
Yeah, thank you.
have them here for you.
Does it to my back, bro.
Are you good? I got one. I'll pick this up.
I think I got one more over there. All right, guys. I think that's going to conclude our repair on this damaged shingle. And all of the points of failure we have here are going to be here. That tear that we caused with the flat bar there. And a couple of nail pull throughs. About 3 nail pull throughs. And 1 damaged shingle. So I'm going to call this a failed test. Thank you guys for watching. DCR out.